Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. This is the mani I didn't finish. It happens, but let's go ahead and get into it. I'm using Moonshine Mani, Don't Stop Me Now, and Born Pretty 102. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here's Moonshine Mani, Don't Stop Me Now. Beautiful duochrome, it's so pretty. And for some reason my camera deleted the first coat, but here's the second coat. And now a third coat of Don't Stop Me Now. Now this base color is stunning. And this isn't what turned me off of this manicure. I'll be topping it with I&Ms out the door. Gonna get it dry down so I can do some playing. And I do appreciate the playing part. I just didn't finish the manicure because I didn't like it. There's a swatch photo, and here is the kitty cat plate, BP-102. I've got my She Modern Jelly Stamper and the opaque white sticky stamp and polish out, and my H. La Corsador scraper. And I am going to just go ahead and walk through this manicure, and I go to do my cleanup before top coating and everything, and that's when I just was like, stop. And I just wanted to share this because I want you to know it's okay to do that. It's just nail polish. If you get to a point where you really just aren't feeling it, take it off. Start over. That's exactly what I do today. This originally was going to be an Instagram collaboration for my friend Carolyn Archer over on Instagrams. And it wasn't Instagram collaboration worthy, so that is why I just stopped, regrouped, and did a different manicure for that. But I'd already spent the time and effort, and also, actually put on a polish that was in my untried bucket. So, I just figured, why not go ahead and share this? This is nail life reality. And I want you to know that if you've gone through this before, then you're not alone. We've all been there. And I'm just going to share my experience of it. So I am putting different images all over my nails, on all of my nails from this plate. I'm getting that excess off that stamper that I don't want. And, it's just, so far all is good. It's all going good. It was my choice of glitter powders that I put on this one that didn't do it for me, and we'll get there fairly shortly. It's not going to be much longer now. Like I said, I just wanted to share, I've always said I share my good, my bads, my, ones I didn't like. This one I didn't even finish. I mean, that's just crazy talk. And it's extremely rare that I don't finish a manicure and at least wear it for one day. Finish it up, go to bed, regroup, go to work, come back home, feeling fresh, and start all over again. So here we go with the little teeny kitty cat face on there. And I'm sorry if you hear the dog next door barking. He's going crazy. Cleaning off my stamper. And I'm going to clean off this plate. And I am using acetone. Regular old acetone, no conditioners or anything. And my little stampy mat. And like I said, everything's good up to this point. I'll be using Shimmer Bright White and Black Jet Metallic, shimmery from She Modern. And I was just kind of like gonna do black and white, to kind of mimic Carolyn's pictures of her cat. And I think I'd have been okay if I'd have just gone all white or all black. But no, I was smudging them and fudging them and whatever you want to call it. And it just didn't work out. Sometimes that's how it is. And since I don't really do testing on pop sticks or fake nails or anything, or even on a mat before I do them, this is sometimes what happens. But we're getting close to the end here, y'all. So I'm tapping it all in. And part of it is the shimmers and the shines where they just kind of like disappeared with the shiny, shimmery, crazy background going on. going to clean my finger off on my lint roller best I can. Get that cleaned up a little bit. And then I've got my little fishy brush out and I'm dusting it off. And this is when I'm realizing, I don't know about this one, but we're going to go ahead and finish dusting off, and then we're going to do some cleanup, kind of looking at it, evaluating it, and then going in with my cleanup brush, and I'm getting a better look at it now. And this is where I decided, nope, can't do it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've been there, done that. I would love to hear your story. That's it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.